this session deals with a very interesting legal theory which is relevant to law students, lawyers, and also to everybody in India today because of the times that we are facing today. I'm going to quickly talk about doctrine of separation of church and state. It's a very famous doctrine applicable to modern democracies and was first quoted by Thomas Jefferson in the year 1802, where while laying down certain guidelines for the American people, he mandated that the church, which represents religion, should be separate from state, state as in country. So that quote will scroll down now. The theory that Thomas Jefferson promulgated was that they will neither respect the establishment of any religion nor forbid or prohibit its propagation. In other words, United States will neither stand for any religion nor stand against any. The Indian Constitution, which is a very modern day constitution, is a secular constitution. The preamble clearly sets out the secular nature of India's belief system, value system, which made India a republic and brought all the different people under one umbrella. The reason I am talking about this today is to reiterate that the Indian Constitution does not in any manner favor any one religion over any other. Similarly, it does not condemn or prohibit the practice of any particular religion in any corner of the country. This has been very clearly set out in Constitution. It is unambiguous. There is simply no room for any doubt to creep through. What probably makes it a little complicated in India is that the personal laws that govern different religions are different for those religions. So there is a Hindu law which governs the personal aspects such as marriage and devolution of property upon death. There is a Muslim law which is applicable to Muslims, again related to their personal elements of life, like marriage, like devolution of property or disposal of property after death. The criminal law is same for everybody. Various other laws other than what affects the personal life of an individual is same for everybody. And herein comes some ambiguity, but this is also necessary keeping democracy and keeping the various religious constituents in mind. As a layman, all I need to bring you up to speed with today is that a cursory look at the preamble of the Constitution that will scroll down now is enough for you to know what your rights are. Your religious rights are protected completely. I will also scroll down an interesting news on a conference that was held recently in Mumbai by an organization called Brights. Now this group finds favor amongst people who are not followers of any religion. They believe in being intellectual, they believe in the non-existence of God, and they have interestingly asked for the repeal of certain laws, more interestingly 153A of the Indian Penal Code, 295A of the Indian Penal Code and 298 of the Indian Penal Code. All of those will scroll down now. Interestingly, Supreme Court also seems in one of its judgments to have mentioned that these particular legal provisions need to be re-examined and introspected because these provisions, as you can read them, somehow interfere with the freedom of expression, freedom of speech as guaranteed in the Constitution of India. So followers of this group feel that we have the right to condemn a religion, we have the right to speak against a belief or a practice, and you cannot put us in jail now simply because the Indian Penal Code has these provisions. In short, they feel that these three provisions of the Indian Penal Code run contrary to the freedom of expression guaranteed in the Constitution of India. Very interesting legal point that can be debated by lawyers and also by citizens who are watching this video. And if you find your views are strong on this subject, do what this group is doing. They are writing to the Government of India and the Chief Justice of India with their views, asking for these laws to be repealed and done away with. Thank you for watching my video. We are 8 short of touching 1000 subscribers. I hope one of you will click that button today and take me to 1000. Thank you. Bye-bye.